Hello, my name is Julian, this is Newbee Garage, and today we are going to be starting on fixing the frame of the 2CV. So we'll be starting by cleaning up the workspace, and then we will be fitting the workplace with the frame of the 2CV. After that, we are going to put some support braces into the 2CV so it doesn't collapse on itself, and then we'll be assessing rust. So yeah, let's go do that. Okay, so I just finished cleaning up the entire floor and I put this thing down here. The other thing is behind me, but we've got this thing right about here and I'm pretty happy about that. Now the next step is we gotta clean this thing all out, because before we're gonna work on this, we gotta take this all out. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take all these parts and trash out, and we'll start by looking at what needs to be fixed, what needs to be done in order to fix the entire car. So let's go do that right now. Okay, so I started to kind of look around, and the last owner that had this vehicle decided to restore it, but didn't eliminate all the rust. So as you can see, the rust is, well, it's literally all peeling off. It's raw. Well, it's really bad. You can see through right here. It's all rusted through. I can just put my finger in it like it's butter. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cut this right here, go up, 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 go around like so, then go up again, up, 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 and then we're gonna go sideways again, and we're gonna just cut this all along here. We're gonna cut that all off because, well, it's all just junk. So yeah, let's go do that. Okay, so I just welded some braces, as you can see right there, and that is for when we take out the rust, the whole 2CV will not collapse in on itself, and when we're putting back metal where we took away the rust, it won't collapse in on itself. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I am going to cut this off right like so. So I can pull this piece out like so, and then I have the part laying right there that we have got to be putting into here, and then we're gonna take the little part out like so, right here until here. So that'll fit on the new part, because that is also a little bit rusty, but a lot less rusty than this bit. So yeah, let's go do that. Okay, so a pretty quick rust sum up, because I have been taking off the paint and it's pretty bad underneath. Everywhere I take off paint, well, pretty much everywhere I take off paint, there's always a little bit of rust, and on large pieces there is just rust shooting at me when I take off the paint. So I'm not gonna go further into that, but I'm going to show you what is actually happening underneath the paint, and it's pretty bad because we almost have to replace the whole entire underneath half of the car. So yeah, it's not good. So let's go show you what's actually happening. Okay, so what is actually happening? I have taken out this part, and this was just basically all rust. I showed you that. And it's pretty much all rusty. Then you've got rust all the way along here. This was rusted through. I put a little plate in front of it, so that looked nice. And then I took off this bit, and that was also rusted through. Then we come around here. This is rusted. And over here, it's rusted. Then, in here, it's rusted. Over there, actually the same thing. Over there, the same thing. Over here, in this tiny little hole right here, that's rusted. The whole entire boot, right here, rusted, 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 rusted. That's pretty good. Just dirty. What do you know? Rusted. Oh, and rusted. Rusted. That just fell off. Rusted, rusted. Oh, and would you look at that? It's rusted, 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 right through. Then you've got rusted all along here. Rusted, rusted, rusted. Then you come over here, up in here. That is rusted. You've got rusted. You've got rusted. Then you've got over here rusted, 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 rusted. Then you come in here and you can actually see the fucking ground. Then you come in here. This is rusted and rusted and rusted. And what do you know? Rusted. And you come around here, and I think that has been rotting for a long time. So yeah, I think it's rusted. Well, and you come here, that's also rusted. And around here, rusted. And here, rusted, 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 rusted. Oh, and would you look at that? That's rusted. Wow, didn't think that would be rusted. So yeah, in general, the whole entire car is rusted. Oh, would you look at that? It's rusted, yeah. I'm not happy about it. Okay, so I am going to conclude it for this video. We did a whole lot and a whole lot of random stuff, because I'm just waiting on parts to arrive, but I do want a video for you guys. So it was a pretty random video, but you also saw how rusted through the entire car was, and actually still is. And you know, I'm just waiting on the parts right now, and in the next video I hope I will be showing you that I am rebuilding the whole entire car. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching Newbee Garage, and I'm out. With
Let's go.